Dear students, today we will be studying about another cell organelle, that is mitochondria. Earlier we have discussed about the nucleus, we have discussed about the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies and lysosomes. So today it is the turn of mitochondria. So now mitochondria are also the small bodies which are found suspended in the cytoplasm of the cell, and they are present in large number inside the cell. So the structure of mitochondria consists of an outer membrane and inner membrane. They are double layered structure, double membraned organelles. Then the inner membrane gets folded towards inwards to form the cristae. This I will be discussing it in the next slide with the help of the diagram. And the cristae lie in the ground structure known as the matrix. Now, one of the most important point of mitochondria is that they have their own DNA and ribosomes. This DNA should be in capital letters. Okay. So now, let us move to the structure of the mitochondria. As you can see that the structure of the mitochondria contains an outer membrane, okay, and an inner membrane. Okay, fine. And this inner membrane is folded inwards. Fine. This inner membrane is folded inwards to form the cristae. Okay, and the ground substance which is present inside the inner membrane, that is known as the matrix. So we have studied earlier that the powerhouse of the cell is known as a mitochondria. Energy currency of the cell is known as adenosine triphosphate. So we will be discussing it here. Now, what are the function of the mitochondria? Mitochondria have enzymes necessary for the oxidation of the glucose. Now you can see over here, students, there are cristae or the folds present in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. These cristae or the folds contains many different enzymes, okay, and these enzymes help in the carrying on of the different important metabolic pathways inside our body. Okay, so many of the important metabolic pathways or the biochemical reactions in our body takes place inside mitochondria. It is a very important cell organelle, and you will be studying about these all biochemical pathways or the different metabolic activities in detail in your higher classes. So for now, you have to study that the mitochondria have enzymes which are necessary for the oxidation of the glucose, and thus after the glucose gets oxidized, it releases energy. Now this energy is stored in our body or in the mitochondria in the form of ATP. This ATP is adenosine triphosphate, and this is the reason the mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell, because the whole energy which is obtained inside our body through the burning of the food which we are eating, it is stored, that energy is stored in our body in the form of adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP. Okay, so the energy currency of our body is ATP, and the powerhouse of the cell is mitochondria. These two points make many important questions, and they are asked in one form or the another form in the examinations. So mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosome, one thing which differs it from other organelles of the cell. Another is it is having ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, in which the energy is stored, and it is known as the energy currency of the cell. And then because mitochondria helps in the formation of ATP, storing of the energy takes place in ATP, the mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. So students, we will stop here. Thank you very much.